Hi parents of all my third graders, it's Mrs. Clark, and I decided tonight while I was writing my parent letter to you that you might need a little bit more instruction on this Singapore math that we have in our Dimensions math book. A lot of what we're doing is really building that foundational level of number sense and giving students the opportunity to really play with numbers before they move on to those standard algorithms. There's a lot of research right now moving into the area of what benefits students later on in what they have as a foundational level of knowledge number wise. And I know that Mr. Lyons in the 6th, 7th in the middle school is planning on doing a parent night on the whole program. So please stay tuned, but I'm going to try to support your learning and the students' learning as we go through this change to this program. It is always a little frustrating because you and I both grew up doing the standard algorithm, and when we have to do something different, I know we kind of look at it and say, what? Why are we doing this? It's so easy just to do it the old-fashioned way. And it is absolutely easier to do it the old-fashioned way, but not all of our children are going to succeed to their fullest potential if that's the only way we teach. So we're starting with this kind of baseline number sense, understanding things. So again, you go to that grocery store and your bill comes to $9.67, and you hand somebody $14.07. And the clerk doesn't know what to do. Like, why are you giving me that odd number back? So number sense wise, you would understand what kind of change you need to give back. It wouldn't just tell you on the register. So we want to build that up and give them a good, strong foundation to do that. So today we're going back to our little times I used to do all my read alouds like this on my camera, on my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to be working with the problem 76 minus 23. So an easy enough problem to do right off the bat in your head. I picked it because you could do it right now in your head and you know the answer right off the bat. Easy enough to do standard algorithm wise. But our first step, the way we are doing it, let's see if I got this right. Our first step is we are going to break apart one of the numbers so that we are using a multiple of 10. So we're going to break 23 into its part. 20 minus 3. Or actually, I'm really sorry. Oops. That should be 20 plus 3 equals 23. So sorry about that. And then our second step is we're actually going to do the first set of subtraction. 76 minus 20. It is so much easier to subtract 20 from 76 than to subtract 23. You're simply counting backwards. 76, 66, 56. So we now have 76 minus 20 equals 56. That brings us to our third step, which is to subtract the remainder. 56 minus 3 equals 53. So our answer, I already took the top off, is 53. And you can see what I've told the students is, let me kind of move around here so you can see a little bit better. Try to move this over here. You can see here that we have 76 minus 20. So right off the bat, I already used my 76. I already used my 20. And I got 56. Now, down here, I'm going to use my 56, and there's my 3. And I'm going to subtract it to get 53. So I hope this brief introduction has given you a little bit more sense. Trust me, I am not going to go further in this math book until I am sure and I am confident that the class has it. I would rather stay on this for 3 or 4 days than push forward and have the class lost. So I'm going to keep working on it until we have a good understanding of what we're doing, and then we're going to move on. Okay? Thank you. I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.